That boy is different, man.
Come on. Alright, bitch. MBO. Come on. Hop over in the V. Spot out, PP the feet. Told them don't you run, cause we gon' catch you. Time to pay the fee.
It's been a little minute.
We back. You know, we got a little
But
something, y'all.
what are we back with?
You know, we back with like a 4.5, so I don't know.
No, nigga. No, we back with a pen review.
Yeah, don't you.
Muha. You see that bitch shining? That strawberry cough. So like,
Roll another one, Jay. My bad. Yo, what type of intro is that, my nigga?
my fault. You know, we got. Introduce yourself then, nigga.
I'm talking about, like, for your YouTube, like, you didn't greet your peoples, my nigga. You gotta, what you mean? Nah. How you gonna try to make it if you're not trying to greet the supporters?
Man, they're watching me for a reason. They want to see the pen, not me.
You are still providing the video.
Alright, so what y'all got going, dog? You know.
We here with MBO.
Shut up, nigga. Shut up. He told me to greet y'all. Now I'm greeting y'all. We're just here, you know, vibing. We been cooling, laying low.
Kill yourself.
How y'all been? Look, y'all could care less, but like, what you gonna do?
Trying to be a content creator, by the way. But MBO, not sleepy on everything. TikTok, IG. What?
I ain't gonna lie, I don't taste the strawberry. But like,
You didn't tell them the flavor or nothing. See?
I did.
We been
You
did.
did?
Yeah, lock in. Like, if y'all want a better look at this hoe, like,
That's that premature kangaroo dick.
go ahead. Show them what you want to show them.
But I want to show them. Oh, man. I got niggas to fam. I ain't gonna lie. I've been talking about this shit all day. But like, we got, what this? Sour blue dust. I ain't gonna count. I love it. But I've been talking about skirt. SR t-shirt.
Nah, where the Muha at? Time for blinkers?
Put them on the TV screen. This is the top show. And we get Mario. We get out. I get hard joking on shit like Mario. My chop man money is wrong.
I'm a bitch. I didn't blink it. I ain't taste that strawberry. But I for sure got that cough. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga Muha just texted me. Prestige tier fiends, by the way.
Don't be mad because you couldn't hit the blinker.
Facts.
We don't even entertain shit like that. Cause see, look, niggas like them, we call them tyrants. Why? I don't know. They just remind me of that one nigga with the mustache.
Shut
That one nigga with the mustache. Tyrannosaurus Rex toes.
Look like you headbutt trees for the.
My nigga, you look like you lick apple seeds.
You look like you headbutt for the fun of it.
My nigga, you look like you snorting lemon juice.
You look like you
My nigga, you look like you coat your dreads and frosting.
You look like you dipping honey mustard.
My nigga, you believe me. Spitting out the zop?
Fuck you want me to do? Eat that shit?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Just that ain't nothing.
And y'all dead ass too. What if I just take my hand and go across both y'all dumb ass face? Like what the fuck is y'all talking about?
What if why your hand go across his face, right? Cause he a bitch, he gonna take that, right? I'll go like that and like your head right here, not just push you. And like when you land on
Fuck, you
rods.
think this is the Matrix?
Nah. Bitch tricks. You know, y'all both some bitches and shit.
Nah, you a bitch. You definitely the bitch.
On some shit.
They licking that shit.
Freaky deaky song.
How she gonna lick her nose?
Yeah.
How does a dog lick their
Pay
nose?
attention. Pay attention.
She's big got O's in her
Lick your nose,
G.
G. Oh.
See,
Oh.
nigga, she does that shit.
She lick her lips cause she
Yeah,
freaky as
like-
hell. She damn near Kevin Gates.
Atrocious.
Second attempt at the blinker.
Charge my
I ain't gonna
AirPods before
lie.
you do that shit. Little bitch. Charge your nigga. Who's not? Oh. Don't go out the way he want to go out.
Let him go out smoke his eye.
Yeah.
That.
Shit.
Yep, the
Wait.
blunt bundy. We don't care that you're coughing. Yep, the blunt bundy.
I ain't gonna lie, peer pressure them just a little.
Yep, the blunt.
Yeah, the wood.
Yep, the wood.
Stay out your bitch ass money, bro. We don't condone this.
Getting it.
He's gonna start coughing.
And whip, and breathe, just push, just start, my blunt, real fat, new pack, hit hard. See drink, get high as a start. How the fuck y'all just looking at me like that? What?
I'm trying to politely say, shut your bitch.
Shut the fuck up. I slap the shit out of you.
You see her?
I ain't talking
You suck the worst
Y'all know, hold on, wait. Y'all know. Shut the fuck
of her. You know what she is? She a female dog. He's stronger than me. Slightly.
No freeze in your tracks?
Hmm?
He said you stronger than him slightly.
Cap.
Slightly.
On your life.
Oh, Roxy's light.
Man, I miss niggas' life.
Oh, he just died. Yo. He's so. Sir, we trained that quick. It's like that.
I told you I'm gonna
You?
find him. I told him watch his back door.
That
Did not.
luck, shit.
Look in the video. I told him watch his back door.
Wow.
Oh, look, did I say that in the video or was that before? I don't know. But I did tell this nigga watch his back door, cause he for surely will need to with me around. Man, I can't wait to slime him.
I had so many opportunities to slime you out, and you sitting over here saying, talking about that.
No,
you really want to talk? You really want to talk about it?
Wow.
Like, real
You was
talk.
at the
Why y'all trying to storm each other out though?
Nah, I got to
Real
stay,
talk.
brother. You was
Real
at the
talk.
slumped out.
Real talk.
Like,
Who asked? I know I didn't.
you talking about backdooring me? Amount of times I could have killed your dumb ass.
Why didn't you though?
Cause I'm a real nigga. I ain't gonna do that to you.
Why? I thought so. Watch that back door, nigga.
For sure.
I don't know, me personally, I never let the nigga tell me to watch that back door. He right there. I'll slap that nigga right now. What you mean? Nigga tell me you watch that back door and he right there. I'll slap that nigga right there immediately.
I don't even partake in camera stunts. I don't partake in camera stunts.
He's a bad man. Bad man, buddy.
Partake it as under the.
I'll call a timeout. I ain't gonna lie.
I'll just partake it as under the influence.
That's my older cousin. Remember, if you stab me, you're dead.
That's between me and you.
Nah, but that's still my older cousin.
Between me and you.
By the way, older cousin. This ain't no me and you. Think about it. He could let me die and then still let it be me and you. But then after the fact, whenever I'm dead and it's just y'all two in the room.
I got you in the whole 2 pins right after the whole process.
Am I worth 2 pins?
And the bank,
I can't let you slime my cousin on the pregnant.
Word, see?
Don't worry. I'll send you out the room.
Oh no! What? Why would I leave out the room? Why would I leave?
Lock in, folks. Like,
Why would I leave out the room?
You're not. I'll be right back.
Example. So about those 2 pins.
Spot out, PP the feet. Told them don't you run, cause we gon' catch you. Time to pay the